Hey everyone, welcome! Today we're tackling a fun little problem called maximum 69 number. The name is a bit unusual, but the concept is very straightforward. We'll break it down step by step. Okay, here's the official problem statement. We're given a positive number that only contains the digits 6 and 9. Our job is to find the biggest possible number we can create by changing at most one digit. Let's dig into what that really means. So the core task is simple. We want the biggest number possible. If our input is 9669, we need to find a way to make it bigger, or decide to leave it as is if we can't improve it. Now for the rules. We can change only one digit. We have two choices: change a 9 to a 6, or a 6 to a 9. Changing a 9 to a 6 will always make our number smaller, so that's a bad move. That means we're only interested in changing a 6 into a 9. The real question is, which 6 should we pick? Let's walk through an example. Take the number 9669. There are two 6s we could change. If we change the first 6, it becomes 9969. If we change the second 6, we get 9699. Now which one is bigger? The first one, right? 9969 is definitely bigger. This leads us to the main idea. Changing a digit on the left side of the number has a way bigger impact than changing one on the right. It's just like how a $100 bill is worth more than a $10 bill. So the smartest or greediest strategy is to scan the number from left to right. And the moment we find our first 6, we change it to a 9. That's it. We've made the biggest possible improvement. But what about an edge case, like the number 9999? Well, our strategy still holds. We scan from the left, looking for a 6. We won't find one. So we make no changes. The number stays the same, which is the right answer, because it's already the maximum. Now for the code. This problem is a perfect example of when it's easier to work with a number as if it were a word, or a string. In Python, there's a really clean and simple way to do this. First, we take our input number, which might be 9669, and we convert it into a string. So now instead of a number, we have the text 9669. Next comes the clever part. We use a built-in string method called replace by do. We tell it, hey, look for the character 6 and replace it with the character 9. Byte. That last number, the 1, is really important. It tells the function to only do this one time. This perfectly handles our change, the first 6 you see strategy. Finally, our string has been changed to 9969 inches. All we have to do is convert this text back into an actual integer number and return it. And we're done. So how efficient is this solution? It's very fast. The time it takes is directly related to how many digits are in the number. If the number has d digits, the complexity is big O of d. Same for space. We need a little bit of memory to hold the string version of the number, which is also big O of d. Let's recap the main points. When you want to make a number as big as possible, always focus on changing the digits on the far left. Second, don't forget that sometimes turning a number into a string or text can make a problem way easier to solve. And finally, this is a great example of a greedy algorithm, where making the best local choice right now leads to the best overall solution. I hope that breakdown made sense. If this was helpful, please hit that like button, and maybe subscribe for more explanations. If you have any questions or a different way to solve it, drop a comment below. And hey, if you're feeling extra generous, there's always the Boba Fund. Keep coding, and I'll see you in the next one.